Welcome to this guided meditation. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath in and slowly exhale. As you settle in, feel the weight of the world start to lift off of your shoulders. This is your time, your sacred space to clear blockages and restore your natural flow. Take a deep breath in, drawing in fresh, cleansing energy. Feel it filling your lungs, spreading warmth and light throughout your body. Hold that breath for a moment, and now release it slowly. Let go of any tension or negativity. Repeat this a few more times, each breath releasing what no longer serves you. Now bring your attention to your body. Imagine a warm golden light scanning you from head to toe. As it moves down, feel it melting away any heaviness or tension. Breathe into this light and allow it to flow freely within you. Visualize a gentle river flowing through your mind and body. Any blockages represented as pebbles or sticks are being washed away effortlessly by the stream. With every exhale, let another blockage float downstream. Notice the water becoming clearer, lighter, and more vibrant as it flows. Silently or aloud, repeat after me. I release all that no longer serves me. I release all that no longer serves me. My energy flows freely and effortlessly. My energy flows freely and effortlessly. I am aligned with peace, clarity, and light. I am aligned with peace, clarity, and light. Blockages dissolve, and I welcome healing into my life. Blockages dissolve, and I welcome healing into my life. As we near the end of this meditation, Bring your focus back to your breath. Take a deep inhale and feel gratitude for this moment, for this healing, and for yourself. Exhale slowly, grounding yourself back into your body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment, refreshed and free. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember, you hold the power to release and heal whenever you need to. Until next time, take care and be well. Thank you.